Now I've gone and got the obstacle course list, so I'm just going to paste it down here like that. Create requirement structure from a clipboard. And then there we have everything, and it has been sorted by the number as well. Now we can go in here and look at twins. Now we have twins, so we can already take a test case and put it onto the twins. Okay? We can also create an execution list. Let's see, we have some in here already. Let's create a new folder, call it the obstacle course. And we can create a folder structure from what we have as well. I'm not sure if I like that. Let's see if we try to run that, what would happen? I am doing something wrong. Yeah, okay. That's what I'm doing wrong. There we go. There's the actual log. We'll call that the obstacle course. And then we can drag our stuff in there. At least it's got a few tests. What happens if we try to run them? Unable to run the selected items. No feasible executor was found. Why is this happening to me? Jesus Christ. What a major pain in the ass this is, huh? Alright. Get rid of everything. Start again. Let's create a folder. The obstacle course. So this is an execution of this folder. We can create a folder structure from that, virtual lists, or virtual execution list, business execution list, test mandate. I think it's an execution list we want, isn't it? There's an actual log. It's empty. Unable to run items, no feasible executor was found. A test step. A test step value in the test step verify the obstacle has been solved is not referencing a module attribute. Oh, okay, hang on. Let's take that one instead. I think I know why that's not working. I deleted. What am I trying to do? Extracting the piss. And work in progress. There we go. Get twins out of there. try this now. Fingers crossed it'll work. There we go. A reusable module that I did for the twins. I deleted it as part of a tidy up. I should have done a module merge. So let's see. Hey, that ran fine. What say ye? Maybe we should go back and try and fix the twins. There it is there. Yeah? That means it's not recognized. So if we go to the reusable module, drop that in there. There we go. You know, so the color didn't go right. That's because it's not correct. If you want to do fancy stuff like that, the trick is dot exists. And it'll parse it out correctly. And we can take the text, delete it, paste it. Okay. Now if we take all those obstacles, put it on an execution list. Here's all the obstacles, right? Get rid of that execution list. We can actually run that. F6 it. Failed hard. That worked. That worked. You can move the mouse, by the way. But it wouldn't click on anything. That worked. And that worked too. Not a bad day's work. Couldn't open the URL or had a problem. Okay. Ah, there we go. Because of the new settings, I was wondering where it was. So as you can see here, we have coverage specified, the obstacle course, 97% blank, 3% looks okay. Now if we go back to these test cases, actually, let's say this test case, there's twins is done, right? You can see it in the requirements, twins looks okay. Twins got something underneath it. How about 22505? 22505, IDs are not everything. And 33678. 33678, wait a moment. Easy. And then extracting the text, 81012. Why doesn't that scroll down? Oh, there we go. 81012. Now if we go back to the requirements module, see these things are lit up now, okay? just a bit smaller. Maybe a little bit of an arrow. Update outdated values. See the way it pulled in those values? That's nice, isn't it? Why is that one 50-50? It is because this test is in work. We've done the review, blah blah blah. It is now completed. Update values. This 50. There we go, 100%. Alright guys and girls, we'll leave it there for the time being. See you soon.